Why do 90% of Java beginners struggle with if-else statements? Because they haven't watched this video yet. Alright, let's break it down. If-else statements in Java are all about making decisions in your code. Think of them as the traffic lights for your program's flow. Here's the scoop. Java's if-else allows you to execute certain code blocks based on conditions. For example, you can check if one number is greater than another. If it is, do something cool. If not, do something else. Let's look at a simple example. Int x equals sign 20, int y equals sign 18, if x y, system out, println x is greater than y. Here, Java checks if is greater than. If true, it prints x is greater than y. Easy, right? But wait, there's more. What if you have multiple conditions? That's where it can come in handy. Imagine you want to check if is greater than, if is less than, and what to do if they're equal. You'd write if xy system out println x is greater than y, else if xy system out println x is less than y, else system out println x is equal to y. Notice how clean and straightforward this is. Practice makes perfect, so try writing your own if-else statements. And remember, if-else statements help your programs think logically, just like you. Hit that like button. If you found this helpful, comment your questions below and subscribe to GLO TECH for more awesome Java tutorials. Happy coding!